To get started, you want to match up the ends of your cords and then run them through your fingers to find the centre. And then you want to tie a little knot, leaving a loop here, so you'll be able to tie your bracelet on when you're finished. So you should end up with something that looks like that. And once you've got your loop, you can attach that to the top of your board. So to begin your pattern, you want to pick which side you're going to start with. So I'm going to take this cord and I want to work over and pull through, and then under and pull through. And then taking the cord I've just been working with, I want to add my first bead. So once the bead's added, I want to push this up to the top, and then I can unclip this cord from the bottom of the board and then clip this cord that I've just been working with. And then I want to do the same thing but a mirror image by working over and then pulling through and then under and pulling through. And then, like I did before, taking the cord I've just been working with, I want to add my next bead. And I'm going to push that up to the top and then unclip this cord and clip this one, and then repeat the first step and just work over and pull through and then under and pull through. And then I'm going to add my next bead to the cord I've been working with, and then push it up into place, and then unclip this cord and clip this one. And again, I'm just working over and pulling through and under and pulling through. And I want to keep repeating these steps all the way down until I've got the bracelet as long as I want it, just each time putting a bead onto the cord I've just been working and then swapping the positions. So once you've got the bracelet as long as you want it, you can finish this part the same way you started by tying a knot in both your cords at the end. And then you just want to push the knot up to where you finished and then pull it tight. And then you want to pull out a little bit from your tail ends and then tie a knot at the end again. And then you can trim off the excess and seal. So I'm going to use a lighter to seal here, but you could use glue if you preferred. And then you want to do the same thing with the other tail end. Like this. And that is your simple bead macrame bracelet.